Hey everyone, today we are inside the 2013 Tundra, and this Tundra we've picked up a year or so ago, and ever since we got it I've noticed that it's a little bit odd when I give it gas sometimes, especially if I notice we're on a slight incline, like going up. It's really jerky when I accelerate, or sometimes it'll hesitate when I push on the gas, and so I wanted to try a completely free reset that I'm going to show you to see if it fixes the problem. What it does is it tells the computer the full range of motion that your gas pedal has. And so I'm going to try that and see if that makes any difference. I tried to film the hesitancy and the jerkiness, but it was very difficult to do. This reset is really simple. It's really fast, and so I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you have this problem, I don't know, maybe this will fix yours, but I'm going to try it on mine and see how it works for mine. So the first thing that we're going to do is you want to put the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position, which is 2 clicks. And so when it's on the on position, with consistent speed, you basically want to push the throttle all the way down and all the way up 5 times. Just like that. And turn the key back to off and then start it. So that should have reset my computer to give it the full range of motion for the gas pedal. So now let's take it for a test drive and see if that fixed the problem. Here's usually where I have the issue. So what I'm going to do is accelerate normally as I go up this hill and see, oh man, smooth as silk, as they say. So I think that took care of it. So hopefully that problem, it'll take care of yours. Like I said, it's a really easy fix. It's a $0 fix. A lot of times what happens if you take I actually took this into the shop and they told me that my throttle positioning sensor needed to be replaced, and so I started looking into what were some things that I might be able to do to fix it myself or just replace the sensor myself, and I found this kind of trick, and so I wanted to give it a try before I spent the money on the TPS sensor. So like I said, hopefully this fixes your car as well, and thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Thanks a lot.